Here's what we do when we get stuck. We got we have a incident or the trailer breakdown. Here's what we do when we waiting on help to come. Bring it down, boy. Good God, that boy can dance. That boy got some moves. Triple D ain't got nothing on that boy. Triple D ain't got nothing on it. Triple D ain't got nothing on it.
Man, I was like,
I tell you what, I know Triple D.
You don't take nothing.
Oh, there you go, Hope. There you go.
I was like, all last night I was thinking,
I gotta get drunk. Yeah, I'll get some drinks in them, boy. I get drunk,
Huh? I'm recording.
Don't ask me now.
that's the prequel to the dance contest.
Had an axle broke on the trailer. We work on getting it fixed.
It's called a breakdown party. It's breakdown party.
Break it down. But you can't scrub the ground. How low can you go? How low can you go? Can you break it down low? Can you get down low?
I almost couldn't get up.
It was a twerk and look, he hold on.
He said he can get down low, just can't get up fast.
Yeah, I can't get up. Get down there.
All right, you guys, here we are. This is Slappy with Slappy Adventures. What I'm doing in this video and going to show you is we had a kind of an incident where one of the trailers, the California Escapade trailer, broke an axle on the way down. So my buddy K Smooth had to end up purchasing a utility trailer to go ahead and get the trailer home. Could not rent a U-Haul. U-Haul will not rent you a trailer to pull behind your motorcycle. If you ever had any experiences with U-Haul, you know what I'm talking about. So he bought a trailer, put his trailer on top of a trailer. So we continue on with the trip. But you guys, with those older model, not the new models, they have upgraded, but the older model Escapade trailers, the axles by the wheel will break. Make sure you inspect those, get them checked out to try to avoid what we went through. But when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. That's what we done. But on the way back, we didn't want to drag it all the way to Knoxville, Tennessee, going up and down those big heavy pools in North Carolina or dealing with it in Atlanta. So we're gonna drop it over my good friend Taddy and Shayla's house. This is where we're headed right now. They live in Daytona. He'll come back with his pickup truck, pick up the truck, the trailer, bring it back home with him, and you know, all is well. The trip was a success. Just ride with me. Just ride with me. Check out how we do this. All right. So what we're doing is we're gonna drop this contraption off over Teddy's.
Guys in here too.
Say hi to YouTube, Shayla. Anthony. Oh, take the trash out. The man of the house while Paw gone.
Give me a little direction back here in the back.
We can drop and push it back, man.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't need man. We can. Our friend Teddy is gracious us enough to let us drop this and give us a break from having to tote this big old thing around and go up Saluda Mountain and all that kind of stuff. Give you an idea of some of Teddy's toys. Where the trailer at?
Oh, I think it's either in that room.
Oh, and that one? Is he one over here? Here's Teddy's Goldwing. And here's this your bike now? You gonna take that over? You don't want that one?
I don't want any bike.
You don't want no bike? I can't believe it.
If I ever get a bike, it's gonna have 3 wheels.
I heard you. Well, you a smart man. He said he don't want no bike, y'all.
And that should have 2 wheels. If I don't want to be crashing like my back, baby.
Right. Which garage you want it in? This one? Sailor. You want it in this garage?
Yeah, he said this.
Okay. He ain't gonna ride nowhere. Yeah, Bill.
Like over where that dresser is.
Yeah. Take a picture of it. Send it to your daddy. See if it's
Switched out.
if it's a good spot for him. You got your phone? Shayla, what do you think? What do you think? Good?
Oh, that's fine,
Yeah. What's up with the Mini Cooper?
We're waiting. We gotta take it to the mechanic shop to get it fixed, and then I don't know what's gonna happen if we're gonna use it.
You want that Mini Cooper? You don't like it?
How long have you had the garage for? Yeah.
Oh, we bought it like this.
Okay.
They did a horrible job.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I was thinking about doing that.
Coming back up, take a whole picture of all this and let him get a good view, make sure it's.
Yeah, they did a bad job because it's cracking.
This is on video.
That means that
What?
they didn't crack it
Jazzy.
right.
Oh, he probably looking at it. Shit.
Who, my brother? That's my brother.
No, your husband on the cameras.
Oh, somewhere.
Yeah.
He's so mad at Fairliner. I don't think we're gonna.
You gonna carry some stuff?
Hope it's a trooper.
Oh yeah, he got room. It must be rainy and cold on the way back.
You gotta take a picture with the kids.
Oh yeah.
I don't think we have a picture of you with the kids.
Yeah. only got one shot at it to ride with Slappy. You mess it up, but you guys y'all passed.
You passed the ride test. What you got?
You passed it. The jury's still out on you. But since you my friend and she made it, she give you a pay. Well, I'm pretty glad y'all did come. We got more riding to do. We got more trips to do. This is called grown folks fun, playing with our toys. The fruits of our labor. The good Lord has blessed us all to be able to have these things, and we gonna play with them. This is Rita's first time on a Slappy adventure, and she has been Slappy approved. You only get one shot at it, Rita, and you pass the test. Darwin, this is Skillet. He is Slappy approved. You only get one shot at it, Skillet.
What? No, you said Ironhead.
Yeah, Ironhead. Ironhead, okay.
Now, what we doing?
We just, you've been Slappy approved.
Oh, I have?
You only get one shot to get on the adventure, and you have proof. If you mess it up, Teresa's already been on several, so she's already bona fide. Paparazzi, I done called you Teresa. Miss Paparazzi, I'm still all here pictures on Facebook. Everybody here's the Thompsons. They went to Colorado with us.
Yes, sir.
And they've been Slappy approved a long time ago. They can go anywhere with me that they want.
Well, we gonna do it.
But we gonna be right behind you.
Hey, y'all have been
a lot of fun.
Yeah, y'all been Slappy approved. Little Egypt first ride. This long, right. And she has been Slappy approved. Man down. Let's see how long they gonna hold it. Got him! Thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.